Good morning, students. Now, today our topic is outbreeding devices, right? Pollination we have already completed. Now, if you remember, what is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. Now, if always in the plants, clear, self pollination occur means the pollen grains from the anther they will fall on the stigma of the same flower. Now, there is a great problem then. Clear? Now, why it happens? Because most of the plants produced, clear, are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means having male and female both flowers or parts in the same flower. Clear? Now, and we call it self pollination. We have already done it, beta, right? That plants which are hermaphrodite means having male and female part, anther or stigma, the pollen grains fall on the same flower, stigma of the same flower, or maybe the second flower of the same plant. And what we call it self pollination. Clear? Now, but if continued self pollination results means अगर ये लगातार चलता रहेगा that the pollen grains of the same flower fall on the stigma of the same plant, there is a great problem. And what we call that problem, we call it inbreeding depression. Now, what is inbreeding depression? Inbreeding depression means it results in certain problems. Like, for example, the first problem is it reduces the fitness in the offsprings. क्लियर? जो नए प्लांट्स बनेंगे बेटा उनकी फिटनेस कम होती जाएगी धीरे धीरे. Second, genes are in homozygous condition means now same conditions will come and start forming pairs, and maybe those genes are not the good genes or good quality genes, or you can say they are the problematic genes, so they will start expressing and the offsprings are having those problems which is already there in the plant. And next problem is that if regularly it occurs, it decreases the quality and quantity of the, you can say, seeds or the next plants. Now, by self pollination means regularly if it occurs, genes become weak in the next generations. So, plants develop many devices to discourage self pollination because genetically or for the generations it is not a good thing. Now, how the plants will discourage the self pollination? Now, let's see. The first way that pollen release and stigma receptibility are not at the same time, or you can say it is not synchronized. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence? It means pollens are not matured at the same time when stigma is matured. Means pollen or stigma they will mature at the different time. Clear? They are not synchronized. एक ही टाइम पे दोनों mature नहीं होते मेल और फीमेल पार्ट बेटा. Second, how it will be doing that? In some species, the anther and stigma are placed at different positions. You can see the hibiscus. उसमें मेल पार्ट काफ़ी ऊपर रहता है and anthers are lying below that female part. So it also prevents the self-pollination, means pollen grains of the same flower are not able to fall on the stigma of the same flower. Then self-incompatibility. Now this is a very important. When pollen grains fall on the stigma, they release certain chemicals, right? And the plant is able to identify with the help of those chemicals ki is it of the same flower or of the different flower. Clear? So then afterwards only, means after identifying, only the pollen tube able to grow. So this is also very good method, self incompatibility. Then fourth point is production of unisexual flowers. This is the best method. प्लांट पे बेटा फ्लावर ही एक लगता है, आइदर इट इज़ अ मेल फ्लावर और इट इज़ अ फीमेल फ्लावर. बट in some plants the same plant is having both male and female flower. Clear? Like for example in castor and maize, in these cases self pollination is prevented but autogamy is not prevented. So again it is not a very good way. In papaya, right, if you will remember papaya, coconut, in these plants the two different plants are there. One is male plant, other is female plant. So it means one is producing male flower, other is producing female flower. So this is the best method. So in this case, self pollination is never possible. So by doing all these things, plants always try to have cross pollination, because cross pollination brings the new genetic combinations and makes a plant more stronger for the coming time, or the next generations are stronger. Clear? So plants always try to prevent the self pollination, to prevent the inbreeding depression, right beta? So this is our today's topic, outbreeding devices. I think it is clear to you. All the points I have tried to note down. Clear? So thanks and have a nice day beta.